All right, time to take a look at the 32-pack Toolbox Organizer. Wow. Cool. So I'm actually glad about this because I was under the impression that these were 3 inches tall, but they are not. 3 inches tall is pretty darn tall. It won't fit in very many toolboxes, but this is actually going to work. We're looking at about 1 3/4 inch tall, so that will fit in most toolboxes. So I'm very happy to see that. Now there is no rubber coating or anything in here. This is just a plastic tray, but one thing I am seeing, you can kind of see these little notches right here. That'll allow these to lock together. And it's got more on the side, so I can just keep on going as far as I want. So there are 8 of these large trays, and then for the half-size trays, there's another 12, and then we got 12 of these small trays. So if you've got some nuts and bolts and screws that you want to kind of keep separated, this is going to be an awesome little pack for that. And then for all the rest of your tools where you just don't want to have them like banging into each other, so you can put this in here and then put a bunch of sockets in another tray. You don't have to worry about them all smashing together and then kind of like rattling around every time you open and close your drawers. So this is a very fun little set. Overall, I'm very happy with that.